Hi! In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the database Health and Psychosocial Instruments, also known as HAPI. While very similar to other databases, HAPI searches for measurement tools, like surveys, questionnaires, and scales. If you know the measurement tool you are looking for, you can search for it by name, like the GAD-7, which screens for anxiety. You'll notice that the search results include multiple items titled GAD-7. Each of these is a different study that used the GAD-7 in their research. So if you click on the first result, it shows that the GAD-7 was used for this research study. However, if we scroll down to the references, this is a study that created and validated the measurement tool originally. Now let's do a search to find a tool to measure a variable. Let's say you want to measure general health outcomes and quality of life in a group of patients. You can try searching with some relevant keywords and see what might be available. The results show a number of different items that seem on topic, so let's click into the MOS 36-item short form health survey. The important place to look here is the measures field. Do the topics listed here match what you want to measure? If they do, remember that the source listed here is a secondary source. In other words, the authors of this article used but did not create this measurement tool. Getting the full text here will bring back this article. The article listed in the reference field should be the primary or original source containing information about this measurement tool, and more likely to be the one that we need. We can highlight this article title, copy it, and then go back to the main NDSU library's website and search for it here. If we have it, and it looks like we do, you can click into the record here to get the full text link. If we didn't have it, you could request it through our interlibrary loan service. Contact your librarian if you need assistance or have any questions.